14 summer tricks and tips for clothes. Summer is probably the best time of the year because finally, the sun is out. It is the perfect time to go on a hike, trips with family and friends, and maybe head to the beach for a good tan. Summertime is fun, but do you know what can make it even more enjoyable? Summer outfits. Hi Muze family! Welcome back to our channel. We hope everyone is doing great. How is summer so far? I think everyone would agree that summertime is the best time of the year, right? With the sun above all day, every day is a great day to do all the fun activities. Although given that the season is mostly hot, you need to wear comfortable and fresh clothes for you to keep your cool. If you haven't figured out your summer getup yet, don't stress it. In this video, we will show you 14 summer tricks and tips for clothes and fashion that you can do all by yourself. These tricks come with a DIY guide that is easy and fun to do alone or with friends. So what are we waiting for? Let's start the countdown. For shoes. Trick number 14, dark white shoes, no problem. We all know that baking soda works well as a whitener in all things, and that includes white shoes. White shoes are perfect to wear during summer because you don't get to step on mud or water puddles unlike wintertime. Besides, everything fits well with a pair of white shoes and you can wear them with almost any attire. If you happen to see any yellowish and dark stains on your white shoes, then you definitely need to take this summer clothing tip. All you need is an ample amount of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Mix the two together. Once it forms like a paste-like texture, take an old toothbrush or any brush and spread it all over your dark white shoes. Make sure to give it a little scrub to make the mixture work its powers. Leave it for 10 minutes before rinsing it with water. Once rinsed, you will now have a clean pair of white shoes that looks like brand new. Trick number 13, hard to remove shoe stains. There are some shoes that have stains on it that can be hard or impossible to remove. No matter how many times you try to clean it, refurbish it, and you've tried almost every hack possible, it still doesn't work. If you don't want to throw the shoe away, there's still a way to fix it. Get one of your unused denim jeans or any clothes that you have at home that you don't use anymore. Trace the shoe on the cloth and make adjustments on it, so make it a bit bigger than the shoe's actual measurement. After that, cut the traced fabric and set it aside. Get the shoe and paint it with fabric glue all over it, but avoid the sole part. Get the fabric and cover it on the shoe. Make sure to cover all necessary spots and eliminate all folds and pleats. Let it dry and you now have your not so brand new shoes. Trick number 12, stunning heels. Even when it's summertime, you can still wear heels whenever you want and pair it with a nice dress. You can never go wrong with heels, but if you have a plain pair of heels, why not make it more extravagant? You can add a little glimmer and shine on those and you will look like a beauty queen. If you have beads at home, get a glue gun and put beads on your heels. You can put a little and you can also cover it all up with beads if you like. Be as creative as you can. Trick number 11, loafers to sandals. When in case you see a hole in your loafers, don't immediately throw it away. Be creative and transform it into a new pair of footwear. To do so, draw a line for cutting at the top part of the loafer. Next, draw another line at the sides up to the back that will look like a strap afterward. Get a pair of scissors and cut the lines that you made. Now, you have transformed your old pair of loafers to a comfortable, more cool pair of sandals. Easy, right? Trick number 10, shoelaces and flip-flops. If you don't like the rubbers on your flip-flops and you feel like it's too tight and heavy, don't throw them away nor give it away. You can always make your footwear the way you want it to look like. With just a little bit of creativeness in mind, you will come up to something even more amazing and brilliant. For flip-flops, a lot of people don't like the bands on top of it because some tend to be a little too tight on the feet. However, did you know you can replace it with something more comfortable like shoelaces? To do the summer fashion hack, all you need to do is remove the rubber bands off the flip-flops. Use sharp scissors when doing so. Once the rubber bands are all out, you now have 3 holes on the flip-flops. Get the shoelace and make a knot on one end. Insert the shoelace on the top hole and then slide it through until the knot will block the hole. Repeat the process on the other holes. Now, you can wear your flip-flops comfortably and you can even tie it on your ankle to secure it. Trick number 9, rainbow sneakers. Do you have old white sneakers that you're not using anymore? Or maybe you have a new white pair of sneakers but you want to be more creative and make art to it? If so, use it and make a new colorful sneaker. For this summer fashion hack, all you need is textile paint that comes in rainbow colors and a sponge. Start from one end with one color and then continue filling the sneakers with colors using the sponge. Make sure to blend all the paint to make it look more abstract. Once done, let the sneakers dry out under the sun or outside your house. When the paint is dry, put on some rainbow shoelace and then voila! You now have your own DIY rainbow sneakers. Trick number 8. Old shoe canvas. This summer fashion hack is perfect to do if you have a lot of used and old shoes, but you still don't want to throw them away. You can always make use of your creativeness, thus you should definitely try this hack. For this trick, you will need a pair of old canvas shoes, fabric paint, paint spray, and a fishnet stocking. To start, spray on the desired spray paint all over the shoe, but make sure to tape the sole area and the rubber sides. Next, put the fishnet stocking on the shoe and wrap it tightly. Once it's wrapped with fishnet stocking, you can fill in the net spaces with paint. You may opt to add glitter, beads, or whatever accessory you want to put on your sneakers. Just make sure the shoes will still look fashionable in any summer outfit. For top wear. Trick number 7. Bandaged tube top for women. Women love a comfortable top, especially when the sun is out and the weather is humid. Although there are tons of tube tops in different shops and malls, you can make your own bandy top every time you want with only using a scarf. Many trends have been going viral these days of women using their old scarves to make cute tube tops, and it is 100% very cute and chic. So if you have tons of scarves at home, make it your tube top and slay your way to summer. For this hack, use the scarf and fold it in a triangle. The triangle fold should be tied from the back, and the top tip of the triangle should go to your front. Insert the tip of the triangle fold in between your cleavage area. Once done, you now have a cute and chic bandeau top made from your old scarf. Trick number 6. Boyfriend clothes transformation. Do you love wearing your man's clothes? Does it give you the comfort and security that you need whenever you wear it? If so, then these hacks that we're about to show you will make you wear all your boyfriend's clothes all the time. Trick number 5. Hoodie turno. There is always something right about wearing your man's hoodie. It's comforting and sometimes it leaves their scent on it, which makes you remember them all the time. For this boyfriend clothes hack, all you need is his hoodie, a pair of scissors, and some sewing tools. It would be easier if you have a sewing machine instead of sewing it manually. Take the hoodie and cut it horizontally. Once the hoodie has been cut, take the lower part first and sew the edges. You may add a garter inside it to fit your waist more. Once you're done, you now have a skirt made from the hoodie. Next, proceed to the other half of the hoodie. Sew the area that has been cut and make sure it's sewn neatly. Once done, wear the pair together and you now have a pair of turno skirt and hoodie, all thanks to your boyfriend's comfy hoodie. Trick number 4. Polo to off-shoulder dress. It's always nice to wear your boyfriend's polo, especially when you go out on a casual date. Level up your way of wearing your boyfriend's polo and make it more chic. Polos can be turned into off-shoulder dresses, and all you need is a pair of scissors, a piece of garter, and your sewing kit. To start, cut the upper part of the polo from shoulder to shoulder. Next, cut half of the sleeves. Once done, fold the top part of the polo and sew it. Leave a small space and 2 holes on each end. Insert the garter inside and make sure it is not too tight for your shoulders. To wear the off-shoulder dress, match it with a cute belt and you are now good to go. Trick number 3. Workout attire. If your boyfriend has tons of old and used shirts but you think it's not a good idea to throw it, then you need to try this clothes hack. Summer can be the perfect time to hit the gym and get fit. Thus, you need gym outfits to wear for your workout. Use your boyfriend's old shirts and turn them into workout attires. Simply cut the side part of the shirts, remove the sleeves, and you now have comfortable and loose workout clothes to wear. Trick number 2. Polo crop top. Aside from being a dress, boyfriend polos can be turned into cute aesthetic crop tops that you can wear on your next date or when you go to the mall. Simply cut the lower part of the polo, sew the edges, and you now have a DIY crop top polo. Trick number 1. Printing photo paper on t-shirt top. Did you know you can use photo paper in printing fun and colorful art designs on your cotton shirts? If not, then now you know it's possible. Printed tees give so much vibe and it can be worn on a daily basis. Whether you're just lounging around the house, catching up with friends at lunch, or doing grocery shopping, a basic tee is the most comfortable clothing to wear in any day. It is soft, breathable, and you will never go out of style. If you don't want to spend money on buying basic t-shirts and printed ones, you can make your own at home with just the use of photo paper. Print a design that you like to put it on your shirt. Make sure to print it on photo paper so the quality will be good. Next, once you have the photo print, put tape all over it. Make sure to cover all the design on the photo paper. Next, soak the photo paper in the water. Wait for 3 minutes for the photo paper to absorb the water. Next, peel off the tape side of the paper slowly. Make sure the design sticks in the tape, otherwise you will have an ugly print. Once you take off the paper part successfully, add fabric glue on the design. Make sure the glue is spread evenly on the tape for it to transfer the design of the t-shirt. Place the glued tape on the shirt and press it smoothly. After a few seconds, take off the tape carefully and gently. The design should stick on the t-shirt. And there you have it! You now have a newly printed cool t-shirt to wear. Do this to all your old plain shirts or even new ones. Bonus tip! Did you know that printing shirts can also be done by hand? You can buy a letter or number pattern at a craft store, some fabric paint, and make your own statement tee. You can also use other natural and organic types of colors such as coffee, which can be found in your kitchen. Always be creative and you will surely come up with a brilliant idea for your clothes and t-shirts. There you have it, folks! 14 easy ways to make your summer getup and outfit cool and in season. All these hacks are doable at home and it does not need any expensive materials to do it. Stay fashionable, sleek, and hot this summer. You can never go wrong with these hacks. What's your favorite summer trick hack? Comment down below, we want to see your suggestions. If you think you like this video, make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe down below. That's all for today, Muze Fam. Catch us up in our next videos and we'll bring you more tricks and tips that you can use at home, at school, or anywhere you go. See you!